We are pleased to show you the 2023 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.